First run. First run. First day niya. Wala siya sa mood.
Nagigising ka?
Antok pa.
Congrats, Sanders. Move forward lang po sa finish.
Hello. Hello, Liz. Liz, na-enjoy mo ba yung run mo? Ayun yung mic ko, kunin mo yung mic mo. Na-enjoy
Na-enjoy ko
mo?
naman.
Ano masasabi mo?
Masaya siya. Ano lang, challenging lang gumising ng maaga at matulog ng maaga. Hindi ako
Tsaka-
sanay.
Tsaka kita nyo na masaya siya, oh. Kita niya talaga yung mukha niya. Masaya, siya.
Inaantok na ako, leche ka.
Masaya talaga siya, kitang-kita niya talaga. So, ayun.
Shut up.
Kumusta naman yung experience mo sa run? Would you do it again?
Yes, masaya.
Apaka-boring nila kausap. Sabi nila, yes, masaya. Okay naman ako. Mukha ba masaya yan? Tignan nyo nga yung itsura niya, no?
Aray.
Ano daw?
Tigilan natin to. Mango suman and butter pulveron from Manila Creamery. Yummy. Hi. So today is a Friday. It's been a busy week. Focused more on preparing for work, preparing for my class outputs kasi this week ito yung time na magsasubmit kami or dapat meron na kaming draft ng mga proposals namin for a capacity building program, for a learning assessment plan dun sa dalawang subjects that I'm taking sa grad school. I'm enjoying it so far. It's very humbling. Parang madami pa akong bagay na hindi pa alam at kailangan pang malaman. So it's a nice feeling to have sometimes kasi minsan pag matagal ka nang nagwo-work or marami ka na experience, may tendency tayo to think that we know a lot of things already. But yeah, going back yun, medyo humbling for me. Working on these activities, pero kaya naman, ilalaban naman. I'm very motivated to work on this. So apart from that, naging busy din ako with my fitness goals. Yun nga, I'm being very strict with my diet for the past 2 weeks. And then, I'll make kwento more on my diet and those things. Siguro baka next week, I'll put that in may plan to discuss to you next week. And then, so today, ang gagawin lang namin, magja-jog kami because it's Friday, so usual thing, pag wala naman kaming activities or ibang gagawin, or kung hindi umulan, magja-jogging pa rin kami with Liz and Dom. So yeah, that's it. I'll take videos and I'll share my day to you again. See ya!
Dom.
So yeah, that's the week for me. This week, I think my major reflection would be is that this week taught me more about relationships, connections. It taught me to, you know, treasure relationships that you have with friends, but also, or people in your life, any kind of person, friends, colleague, acquaintances, iti-treasure mo yan. Try your best. Do not burn bridges. My younger self would appreciate that advice. And to also be able to discern kung kailan certain relationships, certain connections are just, deemed to stay at a certain level. Diba sabi nga nila, we meet people for a reason, for a season, or for a lifetime. So, tatandaan mo yan. Like, sometimes you might think na merong people who will stay in your life for a long time, pero hindi pala. But it's okay, no? As long as, you had good memories with each other. Or, akala mo for a season lang na-meet mo sila dati sa work, and then over the years, steady, quiet, and then you rekindled that relationship, you rekindled that friendship, and then it's as if nothing happened, no? Parang walang time in between, parang it's the same camaraderie that you had. Those things I treasure a lot kasi recently, yun nga, I met with couple of friends na matagal ko nang nakilala, tapos hindi kami as connected regularly, but we are frequently, but we try to make it a point to meet at least siguro once in a while. Pag sinabi ko once in a while, once or twice a year kung seswertehin, and the connection is still there, no? And then you're happy to still be in very important chapters in their lives. So nakakatawa yun. Such as, when you have friends who are getting married, when you have really close friends na, kukunin kang ninong ng anak, mga ganon, nakakatawa, na kahit hindi kayo lagi nakikita, yung quality ng friendship nandun pa rin. So, I really treasure that a lot. And I feel blessed na meron akong mga ganon sa buhay ko. At this week taught me to, make more effort to reach out to those kinds of people in my life. Kasi nandyan sila tapos hindi sila umaalis. They don't make me feel na nawala sila. So, maybe once in a while, hopefully, nagagawa ko, once in a while, I check up on them. Pero this week was a reminder to do that more, to connect more with these important people in my life. So yun, sana kayo din, meron din kayong mga ganong tao sa buhay nyo na hindi nyo man nakikita always, but you know that when you connect with them again, it's as if nothing happened. At parang walang time na nag-pass in between the two of you, at parang kayo pa rin yung people that you met years ago. Yun lang. So that is just my reflection for this week, and I'm looking forward for the exciting things that I would learn, I would focus on, and exciting things that life has in store for me next week. See ya!